She's standing on your gap.
Yambona yanimela
Nabantwana bakho.
with your children.
Yangis?
Can you hear me? Fuck did they go?
Akakwazi ukwenzani?
To do what?
Ukwenzani?
To do what?
Eh? Akazokhupha. Listen to me.
Mamela,
Uthini? What?
Uvulelani?
why are you opening?
Oh, uyawazi amandla sacrifice.
Oh, you know the power of the sacrifice.
Eh?
Ewe, wena
Indoni?
yakunyanya wena.
Uthini?
Chithini imisebenzi yethu wena.
Uthini umsebenzi wethu?
Chithini imisebenzi yethu wena.
Uthini umsebenzi wethu?
What
Yakunyanya
is your
wena.
job?
Yakunyanya.
Listen to me.
Mamelani.
She was unemployed for 18 years.
Ebengaqasheki iminyaka
Uthini?
elishumi elinesibhozo.
Baqala babathini?
Ngenzela ukuthi abazi.
Uthe.
I want them
Ndamnikeza
to know.
umsebenzi mina lo.
Gave the employment.
Ufuna ubula ke wa?
Eh?
Ufuna ubula zini?
She was unemployed for 18 years.
Ebengaqasheki iminyaka
uNkulunkulu
elishumi
wakule ndlu
elinesibhozo.
wamnika umsebenzi.
The God of this house gave her employment.
Chithi imisebenzi yethu.
Bheka ukuthi kuyowenzekani after sacrifice.
Just watch what is going to happen emveni kwedili encabile.
Kusazonyakaza. Kusazothethwa elalini. Kuthethwe stratweni.
They're going to speak
Kuthethwe
in the-
social media.
In the social media, they
Kuthethwe
will talk.
emakhaya.
At home, they will
Kuthethwe
talk.
umkhwenyana, kuthethwe
The
umakoti.
son-in-law and
Kuthethwe
the wife,
omdala,
they
kuthethwe
will talk. The
omncane.
young and old will talk. In your street.
Kufonelwe ifamily yakho.
Your family will call you
Ikutshele ukuthi sizwile ukuthi wenzani kulaqhawe.
and they'll tell you we have heard what you are doing. in
Bebanganandaba
that church."
lakhathi uhlupheka.
Vele besingenayo.
Beninganandaba.
Ewe, sifuna sisokole yahlupheke. Vele.
Your
Sholen,
situation,
imeko yakho,
your situation
imeko yakho
demands sacrifice.
idinga ukuncama.
Your situation
Imeko yakho
demands sacrifice.
idinga idili lokuncama.
Babambe. Your situation
Isimo sakho
demands sacrifice.
sidinga idili lokuncama.
Your family situation
Isimo sosapho lwakho
demands sacrifice.
sidinga idini lokuncama.